This Freeman Pneumatic 3 inches single-pin concrete nailer with case is the safer pneumatic alternative to powder-actuated concrete tools for basement renovations, garage updates, or new construction framing. Simply connect the concrete nailer to your air compressor. Load a concrete drive pin into the nose of the gun, and pull the trigger to drive pins up to 10 times faster than with conventional power tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This air-powered nail gun shoots single pins without needing to pre-drill holes and is compatible with concrete pins from 0.75 inches to 3 inches. Firing into green concrete is ideal when firing longer pins and will provide the best results for plywood to concrete nailing. Wire lathe installation, steel banding, decking, fencing, subflooring, and more. The body of the nailer is constructed of lightweight and rugged magnesium to reduce operator fatigue and features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust, an air filter, anti-dust cap, ergonomic handle, and a blow-molded case for easy transport and storage. The pneumatic 3 inches single-pin concrete nailer with case is covered by Freeman. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Nailed it. This single-pin concrete nailer is a safer pneumatic alternative to powder-actuated concrete tools for basement renovations, garage updates, or new construction framing. It shoots single pins from 0.75 inches to 3 inches without needing to pre-drill holes. Number 2. Pro design. Featuring a magnesium body with a one-piece drive blade of hardened steel. This nailer is ideal for fastening wood, steel, or other thin metal to concrete walls, cement blocks, and poured concrete slabs. It's 10 times faster than powder-actuated systems. Number 3. The right tool for the job. We're committed to providing outstanding value, top-tier customer service, and long-lasting, high-quality products. We make nailers and staplers for every purpose, from roofing to siding to flooring and everything in between. Number 4. Tough and dependable. We make an array of durable construction tools and accessories, including staplers and nailers for siding, flooring, framing, finish, and roofing. Compare our products to similar items by Makita, Hitachi, Bostitch, Senko, Passload, and DeWalt, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.